Assalamu alaikum, and today we will learn that how we can produce a password on Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint in 2016 onwards. So this is a feature which normally people need to save their document for their privacy and security reason. So which you need to know that how you can able to create a password on your document which will not able to use anyone else. So let's start the session. So click on Microsoft Word. Now I will select the file. This is the document which I need to save with a password, and it will not open without a password. So you need to click on save, then select your location where you want to save it and give the file name. I will give ABC. Then select tools over here and then select journal option and then type the password. I will typing ABC and then press OK. Now it is asking about the re-enter your password, so it will confirm that the password is same. So I will once again type ABC and press OK and then save it. Now I will close this document, Microsoft Word document, and I will go to my D drive where I have been save ABC file and open it, double click. Now you can see it is not allowing us to open the Word document without a password. As I enter ABC and press OK, then you can see now the document have been opened for me. If I want to change it, so I can change it over here, and once again I will close this window and save it, and once again I will open it, the same document. Now I will press ABC and open it. Now you can see that the changes are already over there. So this is the way you can change your password of your document. Now move to the Excel. Click on Excel, then click on File, then once again go to the Save. Now select your location. I will select once again the file name XYZ, and before saving it I will once again select journal option and put the password over here XYZ and reconfirming the password XYZ. Now I will OK it, then XYZ. Now I will save into my D drive. As I close the window, the file has been made over here. I will double click on it. It will asking the password which I will give XYZ. Once again XYZ. Now it is open, and if I will change the name to employee and save it and then close the document and once again open it and enter my password XYZ. So you can see the changes are over there and it will save also. So this is the second one in Excel. The third one is PowerPoint. If I will want to save this presentation for a security reason that no one able to see it, and I want to put the password on the presentation, what I need to do, I want to save it. I need to select the location. I will select the D drive. Now I will select once again the journal options and put the password over here QWE, and once again QWE to reconfirm it and then save it. Now I will close this window and I will open the same file over here. Now it will asking the password from me, which I will give the QWE, and once again it will open for me. If you want to change it, I will change over here, learn technical and save it and close the window, and once again as I open it, it will ask the password and the changes are over there. So this is the way you can save your document in Microsoft products. So I hope that you will like this session. If you are on first time on our channel, so please subscribe it, and if you like the video, please like the video. Thank you.